Hello everyone. You might wonder why I am in front of the camera because you know me more of the hands-on gal. Well, I'm moving, if you haven't noticed from my background with all these stacks of boxes. And yeah, I'm moving out of Istanbul. Thank God I am, because it's just way too crowded. It's a beautiful city, don't get me wrong. I love to go with the ferry to work every morning. But let me tell you, going back with the bus in a city that has 20 million people, not fun. Not fun at all. And it takes so long to come and go, and it's called a commute, I know. It's just one of the many aspects that I'm so sick of. It's just way too expensive. We want to save up. There's just no way to save anything in Istanbul if you have like an average kind of salary. So I finally came to an understanding with my full-time employer, which means that I can work from home. So I can be anywhere in the world, theoretically speaking. Of course, I will be coming to Istanbul periodically, but it makes stuff easier. So what does that mean for the channel? It means that I can be more creative. I want to do so much more, but I just don't have the space or time to do it. Space? I can give you an example. That TV there, that's my normal TV. It's tiny and it's more than enough in this kind of living room. I can barely fit all the boxes that I've been flying around here, so that's why they're climbing up. The cats love it, but way too dangerous for my taste. And about time, I need at least 1 hour and 15 minutes to go to work. Coming back takes at least that much too, so that's 2.5 hours. At least. I'm saying at least. So go figure how much time I'm actually wasting every day just to go to work. You feel energetic after the day of work, and then that 1.5 hour commute and you're done at home. You just want to eat, maybe watch something on YouTube, and that's it. You don't want to do anything else. Don't ask me how many edits I have done on the last second because of this tiredness. So when this video is going online, I will probably have moved. So we are planning to move on a Wednesday, so Friday the video is gonna be online. So I'm hoping to have more creative videos in April. I'm not promising anything because I have no idea how long it will take me to settle in. I will have my own office where I can do these kind of recordings as well. And yeah, let's hope for the best. My aim to have a video every Friday still stands. That's why I have pre-recorded footage. I need to edit some of them, at least for March. And now we will see for April. And I don't know if you have noticed, I have a much better camera. I actually have a camera right now. I used to record everything with this Huawei phone. And I'm really happy with it, don't get me wrong. This one got me started. It still needs some getting used to use a camera. But I'm really happy with it for now. Let's hope for the future I will make more creative stuff and more fun stuff as well. And I know not many of you will probably watch this. This video is more for future me, if you want to call it like that. Like, I have started this channel in Istanbul, in the city, in this apartment. And this is more like a reminder where I have been. I'm opening a new chapter and I want to see where I've been and where I'm going to. So that will be interesting. If you are watching this video at all, I would love to hear what kind of stuff you want to see on this channel. I have read Harley Quinn. I'm watching the new cartoon right now and I'm loving it. I totally want to do a really cool cake, or even like cake sculpture kind of thing. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to make it, but I'm for sure gonna make it because I'm loving the series and I need to pay homage to that. Love the new design and stuff as well. So yeah, that's it. I can only say see you next Friday.